The water's not going as fast as it sometimes does. Kind of slow there.
So this is from the top. I showed you waterfall earlier in the clip, and this is from the top. To pump up the water, and now it's on its way down again for the 10,000th time.
There's that big building where the Simpsons hang out.
The Simpsons? Where?
Yeah, remember that on your video you were talking about it? The church clock and everything? I said the Simpson kids were hanging out in that building.
Okay.
That's it. Big ugly building.
Okay. That's Simpsons. Skinner! So we're standing on this little hill. What was its name?
I don't know.
I don't know. Is the name
Stowe
of this?
Lake, though. It's Stowe Lake Mountain.
Yeah, Stowe Lake Mountain. And down there you can see downtown San Francisco. And if I pan like this, you can actually see the two towers of Golden Gate over there. My goodness, we're close to Golden Gate Bridge. How cool is that?
Let's jog.
Yeah. And this is something very strange. It's still in Golden Gate Park.
Make a good backdrop for Monster Man.
Yeah, maybe. Well, it lives here, it thrives here, and looks pretty nasty, strange, eerie, and beautiful. Yeah.
I don't think.
Sure are a lot of lakes in Golden Gate Park, and this one is.
I don't know what it's called.
It's the Unknown Lake. Far end. We're close to the ocean, everybody.
Yeah. I would say about 1/8 of a mile left to the ocean.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
And those trees over there, that's eucalyptus. That's right, eucalyptus. It's not a native tree, of course. It was taken here for what purpose? Why did they take it here, the eucalyptus?
I don't know.
Not on purpose, it just came.
No, somebody brought it hundreds of years ago, a couple of years. 150 from Australia.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know. I don't know why for sure. We'll have to look that up.
Yeah. So, what we're looking at is Ocean Beach. And the Pacific Ocean. And there's nothing out there but water, water, ocean, and ocean. And then Japan and China. Let's go surfing. Or maybe not. Maybe. Yeah, get a house up here somewhere. Could be something. Yeah, and sometimes you see there are seals on this beautiful beach. That's a pity. Sure is. And here, Boo is fighting a sea snake. Oh yeah! Oh, she killed it. Well done. That's the way to do it.